Hey y'all, so it's currently 10:30. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Practically last night, y'all, I didn't edit Vlogmas Day, whatever I needed to edit, Vlogmas Day 5, because shit just happened in the afternoon, like everything. Bay literally came home, he said that his boss ended up saying yes. I literally screamed like everything was fine, but his game just made him flip, and just shit went downhill. He broke his phone. Sorry, bum. He broke his phone. Shit just escalated. We had like quite a fat ass argument. I don't know where to put you guys. And so my anxiety was up that night, and now I'm moving everything along. I didn't actually eat like at all yesterday, so I kind of need to eat so I don't die. So I'm making myself some brown sugar and cinnamon like porridge in the microwave. So I'm gonna force myself to eat that, then I'm gonna meditate because my anxiety is just not thanking me. Sorry about the TV in the background, guys. And then I'm thinking of just having a shower today, not just tonight because it'll be easier. And also, can I just say, freaking the weather's really caca. Like, it's really fucking humid, it's windy, and it's raining. Look at this shit, guys.
I think I can, I'm going to say around the world in 80 days.
See, guys, everything's so damp and wet, and it's just like, I'm not going to be doing my pop tomorrow. I actually need to let everyone know, because the weather's just fucked, honestly. And plus, I walked out the whole entire bedroom and there was glass on the floor, so that was a bad idea. I'm just going to be cleaning up the whole day, getting ready, and yeah, let's go. I'm going to be barely talking just because of the fact that I just need to focus on myself, so it'll be sort of like a montage thing, less of a chatty one, but yeah. Guys, I literally scared Bong because I sneezed. Recording this whole time. I was literally recording. Guys, I can't find a towel. This is actually not bad. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
RP to 8, sweated, it's getting 51 division staple.
Give me a call, yeah.
Say
exhausted. My cam's on low battery, y'all. Guys, I literally dropped you guys because the fucking battery ran out. And I need to get more batteries in this. Guys, I was literally vlogging. I hope the camera's okay. Oh, it's not focusing. Hold up. Okay, guys, I was literally trying to get the camera, but the thing is, since it died, also, guys, I did the dishes. I hope it's zoomed out. Since it died, since the battery died, I literally, it just fell from literally here. Oh, if it's gonna focus, the lighting. From here to there. Oh my gosh. So, anyways, let's go feed the cats. I hope you guys can see from here. Guys, not you guys, you guys. Also, it started freaking raining before. I think it's spitting now. I'll have to check. And I had to bring the freaking teddy bear and the blanket inside. Also, my package came, guys. I never even saw the fucking mailman. Is it raining? Oh, it's just spitting the tiniest bit. And I had to freaking run inside. I'm gonna flip over my yoga mat. I'm trying to, like, clean it because there's glass all over it. Oh. Alrighty, so yeah, let's do a quick little unboxing, and then hopefully the rain will stop so I can hang everything outside. I was vacuuming. I feel like that's not high enough. Something's telling me it ain't high enough, but I think this is good. Practically, they're eating, they're happy. Hey! No stealing! Bean? Bean always goes over to Bong's freaking food, because Bean fights a lot, and Bong's just like that. Cute little fluffy thing. So practically, I vacuumed, so I had a shower, and I'm like, right, I need to clean everything up, and I needed to freaking vacuum, because there was glass all over this floor, and I vacuumed the fuck out of this, and I even, like, went down to the ground. I'm like, have I got everything, you know? So I got that. The fan's on, because when I ran outside, when I was doing the dishes, these sleeves got wet, and when I ran outside, I literally was, like, a little bit wet. So we got that sussed, had a shower, did some dishes, because I just felt like I want the kitchen to be clean, not just our room, because, like, I don't want to be selfish, like, So, yeah, I'm going to change the sheets as well. I need to sort out the laundry later. I think we're going to be doing the washing tomorrow just to get it out of the freaking way. I'm so sad that I can't do the freaking pop-up, guys. I need to still post it on my Instagram story. Actually, I might do this right now, guys, just to, like, let people know that I'm not going to be doing the pop-up, because otherwise everyone's going to be heading down, blah, blah. Guys, literally, this chick was contacting me, and I was just like, hey, can I send you a few products for you to promote, because, like, you know, I'm trying to lift my business up off the ground. She's like, yeah, of course, and she's super sweet. And then she's like, hey, do you also want me to get my best friend? She's, like, on such a more bigger platform. She's like 16, almost 17k followers, and I'm like, you're kidding me, you're kidding me. Like, yeah. So I'm getting so hyped up. But the thing is, I need to get my freaking labels sorted, because I kind of don't want to ship and, like, having fucking glue on shit, you know what I mean, guys? This is from Pure Nature, as you guys know. That is, like, my main source of, I love how these ship so fucking fast, that I usually go to for, like, products and all my ingredients and everything for my beauty products. So go check out my beauty account. I can't literally sponsor that shit anymore. One thing I freaking love about Pure Nature, they ship so fucking fast. I booked this shit on Tuesday. Today is Friday, and I'm like, okay, I really want it to come in on Friday so I can do my pop-up on Saturday, blah blah. Came Friday. I'm gonna need to edit as well. I'm probably gonna, like, after this, I'm probably just gonna be chilling and editing, because we have to do that. Okay, we've got paper. Love the little nature. I love how it always comes with one of these. I always keep these with me, so just how I know how much I spend, blah blah blah. And this is the packaging, y'all. I'm so hyped up. Wait, even these scissors are upside down, but I don't care. Oh my god! What the fuck? Look at this, guys. So I bought little containers for my lip scrubs because you guys know I was talking about that. Whoop. She in a Glad wrap bag, yes. Yeah, so I want to go more like saving to the earth. That's why I got glass ones instead of plastic ones. And I did do a glass lid because aluminium lid, I don't think anything would stick. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's kind of big. It's not the 20mm ones. Love that ASMR. It's not the 20mm ones. These are actually 30mm, so they're much more bigger. And they come with a little, they come with a little thing, and it comes with plastic, little plastic baggie, so you can pop that in, pop. Just like that. That is super cute. I literally love that. That's really, really cute. And now I can actually, I bought 15 of these because I just wanted to, have these and I needed them for my freaking lip scrubs and I didn't want to run out. I thought I ordered 10 lol, but I ordered 15. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like $21 including shipping. No. It was like $14. Oh, I don't even know. It was pretty cheap. I got these. Really, really happy. I just need a freaking labeler. I actually did find a website yesterday, guys. I was Googling it, and I found this website where they sell sticker sheets, and I'm like, wait, I can print out my labels like that, get them shipped in time, and be like, yes. So, I'm kind of wanting to hop on that website actually right now, book in some of my ish, just get it over and done with. Even if I have like the Beauty by Violetta labels and then the fucking, you know, the descriptions and all that stuff, even if it can't do that shit, who fucking cares? Like, at least I've got the labeling, you know. We'll figure something out, but yeah, these are super cute, guys. Like, look at this. This is so like, and it's a really good plastic lid. Like, it's not like those shit ones that they wear there. Don't worry, guys, my hands are clean. I was just checking this out. It's very cute. Love that ASMR. I was listening to ASMR last night. I definitely do need to meditate, just do a breathing exercise, because last night was, it was so, I'm so happy. What the fuck? Oh man. So yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling. I just wanted to do this quick little unboxing, but I knew they would come fast. Yeah, love pure nature. Okay, first of all, the room is freaking organized and it makes me so happy. Second of all, the kitchen is damn well organized. And third of all, I'm trying to make myself eat. Are they just home now? Oh no, that's a random ass dude. There was literally 2 chicken nuggets left, so I'm gonna have that and a freaking sausage. Oh no. In the oven. I don't know how high. I'm gonna just put it on like, I'm gonna put it on 180 for like 10 minutes. That's what I'm gonna do. Hello, Luvv. Yeah, I'm just forcing myself to eat. I had an apple earlier because like I know that I literally have to like eat food. And also, guys, it's barely spitting. That's why I hung those up back outside. I've been just relaxing. I actually did a 10-minute meditation. I'm so excited for tonight, you guys. I really have to pick my outfit. I'm going to do that later. Later. Guys, I think they're home. They just came home with so much food. Guys, whilst editing, I decided to treat myself to a little lolly. Let's go do that.
You can't see you. He wants to show you face to face. Oh no, not the video. It's something that
My baby's
got
home.
given to him like a toner, and I won't tell you what it is.
Where'd you get that from? Oh, you got it. Shit. That's so cool. That's actually me. Let's go get a lolly, guys.
Yes, it's
Now, it's like holes in the roof.
Got right down the hole.
Debbie, mate. I got Debbie's number.
We're waiting in what apparently is a bus. It's more like a van. There's like here in my camera. We're waiting, and when we arrive there, I will let you guys know. Okay.